Hello? Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hi, Starman. 42 months. Holy shit. That's crazy. Thanks for being here for the long haul. Holy shit. Hey. Okay, so here's the dealio today. I did a lot of fighting with getting this getting this new plugin working. The tentacle plugin. But I really want to do more work with it. Just really see if I can get a sense for what's going on. I know Dead Sun might hop in to help out a little bit here and there, but stream starting phase is really fancy now. Yeah, I like it. Little cameras. I'm trying a couple things. But I think that's mostly because here, let me try before I fully go up there. Just make sure we're connected. Oh, it is connecting. Okay. Yeah, I'm still having an issue of no controllers. Oh, V11. I'm still seeing an issue of no controllers or controls registered for like custom controls. I think I want to try something with that. Yeah, okay. So let's head up. I truly feel like sometimes these songs are just like two songs playing on top of each other and it drives me crazy. Okay, here we go. Let's go up. Boo, words. Okay. So this was just kind of the blueprint that we made for testing. This is what we made for custom controls. I think... See, because it says it's a registered control. Right? I see it print. But like... It does tell me in here that it's unregistered. It says it's not connected right now, but I think if I press play, then it'll try connecting. Yeah, no controls registered. Which is a little bit strange to me. Because, unless, hold on. Let me try... Because I can register and unregister custom controls, but I'm wondering... Can I, like, get custom controls? Oh wait, yeah, that's what I'm doing there. Okay. Can I get, like, registered? No, okay. Never mind. Yeah, that's interesting to me. That I would recognize it, but then not. Let me try one more thing. Because I think the example that we used was, a button. Yeah, custom control button. It's like, in theory, I don't have to do any of this. I could just say, on-click the button. Just say button clicked. Right? So in theory, if I press play, then I should get that shit out of here. I shouldn't even need to register something. Oh, okay. Maybe it's just that specific yeah, because I'm seeing it's a button, see? Oh, hold on. Yeah, button clicked. Okay, great. Okay, so maybe it's just something a little iffy with the with the very specific custom controller that I picked for testing, which is a little silly. Alright, delete, yeah. because this could be interesting for like it would basically be like a virtual stream deck almost. Like I could make my own buttons, make my own sliders for all sorts of things, you know? Right? Like if I go into my buttons, label is your mom, of course. Won't let me change my button color, which is rude. That's fine. Yeah, your mom, see? Click it, I get the button clicked. So then I guess you could make a bunch of buttons that end up doing things in your Unreal scene, which is pretty cool. I don't know what I would use it for just yet, but let me get my notepad up. Yeah, I need to look into this too. Tangible notes. What were all of my notes? Compile, error, if any spout plugins already exist. Maybe I can do like a labels wish list, because it would be really cool if I could output spout feed to OBS, because that's really the biggest bummer about the tentacle stuff right now, because I had a compile error when trying to make this project. Like basically it like was reading two different spout things and was unhappy. That means that the plugin that I was using to output my feed, like my main feed to OBS, I'll put a spout feed, like I can say scene capture 2D to OBS. That would be super duper cool. Hi Juna, let's do all the things. Do all the things for Juna. Whoa. Take a good sip. I think the only other well, hold on. I need to say custom event, or sorry, custom controller color doesn't want to register. I'll have to see. Maybe I'll give a test to some of the other ones and see if they work. So my button works. What are the other types? So color was mad. Group. Let's see. Group name. Group name. What the hell is that for? Group test. What does that do? Because it doesn't have. No, I don't really have any. You can't see, but I don't have many events for it. So, what is that? Yeah, no controls registered. Okay. Let me make a list, maybe. Custom control doesn't want to register. Okay, so custom control components for register, which include color, group. Let's see if there's any other ones, because button definitely works. Button definitely works. Number. I should be able to say label is test. On value, or yeah, I guess on. Oh wow, lots of on click. And then I'll just do like a print so that it does something. Print. This works. I'll save. Wait for that to connect. Oh, great. Okay. Click, 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 click. Alright, well that doesn't seem to be doing much, but... Oh, I see. Is this like a... Does group need to have something else made? It might. Maybe that's why I'm having issues. Maybe there's some extra setup. Well, first and foremost, I'm gonna try to do on value changed instead. Yeah, and maybe I'll print my value. Oh, and it gives me the old value. That's fucking sick. Okay. Wait for that to connect. It worked the one time. Oh, I see. If I have it actively, so I can like type and say 4, or I can ooh. I see. Oh, I can drag. Oh, that's weird. Oh dear. So that'll do it, but my buttons seem unhappy. Like my scrolly buttons. Okay. Let me just note that. Custom control number. What's the name of this event? Hold on a second. Go away. This is value changed. Is there anything else? Is there just a value change? No. On value changed from web. Web. Works with drag and manual input. Event update with. What is this? Isn't this called? This is called something. It's like a spin box. Hold on. At least that's what I remember hearing it called. UI. Show me a spin box. Yeah, like that. Spin box. Spin box. Click. Okay. But that's fine. It registers, so that's cool. Delete that. Delete that. Custom control select. What is that? On value changed from web. New value. What is this? What are you? Oh. Oh, I see. Hold on. I must have missed some things. Aha. Value. Test. Oh, I see. It's a drop down. Test 1. Test 2, or like an enum thing. Test 3. Placeholder is test. Label. Test. Sorry, I guess my value is test 1. Try that. Aha. Very nice. That works. Now, can I arrow through this? Enter. Enter. Yeah, okay. So I can click or arrow through it, which is cool. Okay. No issues with that, as far as I can tell. Amazing. Goodbye. Custom. Ooh, a slider. Oh, that's cool. Oops. Nope, not that. Slider. 100 step label tap. on value changed. So that's like a right and proper click and drag. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, oh, it's very small. look how itty bitty. I wonder if there's any. Is it always that small? I guess it is. Interesting. Okay. Maybe I'll just put in, because some of them are strange. Maybe just like a general some control UI scale. My scale weirdness. Slider. Very small. Maybe I just need more things in there, but I figured it would at least scale with the window size, but maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, cool. Sliders, awesome. Oh, okay, what am I doing scrolling? Select slider, switch. I guess it's like an on or off. Oh yeah, just like a Boolean. Maybe it's a checkbox. Aha, a Boolean. Show me the button. I feel like sometimes it takes some time to connect. Oh, okay, yeah, it's just a true, false, true, false, true, false. Great. No notes. Excellent. Text. And I imagine the vectors are fine. Oh, there's my custom event listener. I already have that, right? Yeah. So, text. I assume that's just a text input thing. I love that it gives you old value as well. I literally think I said that already, but I do love that. Aha, so I can just say test. Oh, okay. So I don't even need to press enter. I could say your mother. Dang. Oh. Interesting. Okay. I'm not sure that's intentional. Well, hold on. Is there a different type of event for that? Uninitialize on click. On value change from web. I'm not sure if it's an issue, but I will jot it down. Custom control text on value changed from web. Updates with each new character. Just is this intentional, I guess? Can put, or yeah, I don't know if I would want like a separate event. Would a current event or a complete input, like on enter or click off, be helpful? Yeah, like not like a critique, but like a, not that anything's wrong necessarily, but just a question. Une question. And I imagine these work just fine. Whoops. Label F. Or wait, did I even check the text one? Hold on. Because I'm also gonna, oh, shit. I am going to have to, I see placeholder, label, test. So value is nothing to start, and then I have a vector. So I want to test it. I want to test the vector output. Beep. But see what happens. Because we got sort index. I'm not quite sure what that means, but I imagine this is where you can like set up a UI. Hi Louise, how are you? Welcome in. Bam. Ah, okay. So this seems to have a similar issue. Actually, I kind of wish, I don't know. I don't hate the click drag. But I was kind of, there's like not a real way that I can like select that nicely. I'm on screen. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, it's strange that I didn't even realize that it brings in your, like, for a long time it was just me sending emotes to myself. I didn't realize it pulls in, images. What you got? Uh-oh. But yeah, this is strange, but it's okay. Yeah, so this doesn't seem to want to print anything. Did I plug this in right? I might not have. Yeah, hold on. Split. Yeah, just try the X value for now. See what that does. It might just not be happy printing only one thingy. No. Okay. Interesting. That's just not printing at all. Right? You should be printing. Okay. Strange. Put it in the notes. Custom control vector 2 doesn't send. Well, hold on. Before I say that, let me just make sure it doesn't even print hello. Vector. Right, it might just have an issue reading the... No. It's just not detecting a change. Bizarre. Okay. That's fun. Yeah. Right, on value changed from web. I don't think I did anything else. Unless it's... No. If I do a sort index, would that put the vector on the other side of the text? That does. So I guess it's like you got some group stuff. And then you can... Okay. Let me actually try that real quick. I will try another vector. Oh my gosh. Vector 3. And I will make a group. And my group will be called test group. Test group. No, don't. Oh, come on. Now, how do I tell it what group to be in? I'm unsure. Let's see. No. Stop doing that. Yeah, change value from web. So surely this should print. I've seen it print vectors like this. Oh yeah, I'm still seeing no group. But this is cool that you can like fold them away nice. Vector 3. Beep beep beep. Okay, so that I think we already established doesn't work. Oh, is it all of the vectors? Oh, that's a little sad. Or at least on my end. Yeah, wait a second. What's the group name? Do I have to put this under there? Is that the dealio? Like, do I do the organizing in there? You know, I think it would help if I check the docs. Yep, that's it. I just I just parent them under there. Okay. So my hope is that I also do hope that like we'll have like an explanation for most of the uh most of the weirdness I'm seeing. But this is cool. I like this. It just means that I have like my own personal control as I go through, which is pretty neat. Cool. And I think I just have a vector 4 now. Yeah. You go under there, and you can be called 4. Sort index. Because then I guess the sort index is just left to right, like what order you want them to be in. Yeah. Joink. I didn't even make an event for that, I don't think. Nope. I was gonna be like, wow, that doesn't work either. Silly. Silly me. No, can't print that. Can I break it? Yeah. Sure, just print something. Or actually, just print anything. Vector 4. Just print if you receive that. Yeah, okay, strange. And just add to my note. Vectors. Custom control vectors don't send info. Or don't, I guess, execute. On value. Changed from web. Interesting. 1, 2. Maybe we'll just do that. Great. Okay. Slider very small. Okay, great. What else did I want to test? I already had some custom event stuff. Let me test some of this. I'm gonna turn that off actually. Delete. I'm gonna delete this one too, because I think that was an original test one. Create a custom event. Call this test event. And you can do all sorts of triggers and stuff too, which is really cool. From anywhere. Or I guess maybe from Twitch specifically. Yeah, there's a lot more if you go specific. Subscribe with message. Reward redemption. Reward ID. Yeah, okay. Awesome. That's cool. Reward. Can I click multiples? Not at the moment. Reward ID. I guess reward. What the hell are my rewards called? Can we do like a hydrate? Yeah, hold on. Hydrate. Reward title is hydrate. I kind of wish I could add more to this. Oh, I guess I can do add trigger. From Twitch. Like maybe I could do like an and or something? Because I think it would be interesting to say reward redemption. Yeah, maybe not. No, I think this would be and. Yeah, let's try it. Let's try it. And user ID. Starman, are you there? Can I test with you? Can I put your name in here? Oh, that's an ID. User login, username. Starman. Okay. So if I make this and I call it my test event, that's saved, I think. Yeah. Okay. If I may ask you, this, well, right now it's not going to do anything, but I want to test if it, I want to test what it does. So I have my custom event listener. Can I do, what did I call this? Test event? Yes, test event. I don't remember quite what I have to do with it though. I guess I would say on triggered. Oh, okay, yeah. So that would call the event. Instigated by. So hold on. Variables. Okay, so I can get the name of the event I just called. So let's see. Equals, or I guess I could do a switch. Switch on string. We only have one string, but that's fine. Switch on string. If I call this test event, on test event, we're going to print Starman did a thing. So, if I may, if I press play, Starman, if you want to first redeem posture check, right? Because I'm wondering if it'll still call, or if it's like, if all of those triggers have to be true. Oh, I love how it is doing the sub thing, that's funny. Wait, why is it doing the sub thing? Okay, that's weird. 1 second. That might be all, but I want to check the output log. Yeah. It output something else though, which was strange to me. Starman did a thing, and then it said thanks for the sub. Which... Oh, I see. This is on any custom event? Okay. Yeah, don't do that. Or at least... Yeah, that seems to be on any custom event. What if I just leave it like this? Because I don't need the listener in here. Starman, if I could ask you to do that one more time. On a day I don't resub. Yeah, right. Yeah, so it should come up here if you redeem posture check. Yes, you did a thing. Okay. Well, that means... Oh, shit. Clicked wrong. Oh, wait. I do want to pause that. Go away. So then that means that any of these can be true. I wish this could be an and/or situation. Like, only if both of these are true. Contains starts with... See, these are very helpful, but I wish I could be like, only trigger this if Starman redeems Hydrate. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me... I guess that would be a wish list item, not necessarily a note. Custom events. Can we add booleans? Execute this command on or like and slash or conditions what I meant. Maybe. I don't know. Want the notification only for a specific redeem. In theory, yes. But this is... I know that this is... I'm adding it to wish list stuff because it's not... it is not... the most urgent thing in the world, but I was like, it would be cool if it were like, if this user does a specific thing, then I can do a specific thing. But I suppose that could be in Unreal too. Like I could say, like viewer. Like I could get viewer, I'm sure. And I could say if it's whatever. Like I could do that on real side, but I think it would be interesting. Well, I guess either way you'd have to program it, so maybe not. Can do this in, or can do this UE side. Yeah, because then I could just get user. Hold on. Oh, I would get Twitch user name. What? I thought for sure there was a variable for this. Yeah, I can get color. Oh, display name. Okay. Yeah, that's what I would get. I could say, like, I could literally do a test event, and I could probably switch on string again. Right? And that would be Starman JSP. I would say Starman did a thing. Or I could say who the fuck did that? And make it red because I don't know who did that. Crazy. Okay. So then I would change the trigger in that case to only be hydrate because I'm checking for the username after the fact. Hi Geo. How's the plugin testing going? It's going quite interestingly. I'm glad I've been giving it a test. I'm trying my best to compile notes. And just both things that I think are broken and like wishlist stuff. So here, let me posture check for you. I don't know if I fully did that. This sounds like a mosquito in my ear. Get the fuck out of here. Not very lo-fi. But yeah, it's been interesting. I kind of see pros and cons to this and StreamerBot at the moment. I definitely see a future in which this is like way more useful to me specifically than StreamerBot, but I think the biggest downside I have right now and is on my wish list is since Tentacle already does like spout stuff, I think for like guest spots. Yeah, I mean, I feel that. I feel that. But yeah, because Tentacle has some spout stuff in it, it means I had to disable my other spout plugin that I'm using currently to output this feed into OBS. Which sucks to lose, obviously, so I'm mostly doing some testing with it at the moment. It would be really cool if it worked, but I had to disable that plugin in order for this to work, which sucks. So, is that NDI? No, it was Spout. I was using Spout. NDI is not my friend in Unreal Engine. It truly is not my friend. Oh, I was gonna test this. Starman, you still there? If you wanna redeem hydrate for me when you get a second. Geo, if you also want to redeem hydrate, then it should not print for you. Or it should print who the fuck was that. One or both of you. I managed to punch NDI into submission. Nice. Oh, we'll do hydrate this time. Oh, hydrate's on cooldown. Oh my god. Why don't I have a cooldown on that? 12 minutes! Oh my god. Stand by. We can fix that. Surely we can fix that. Viewer rewards. Whoops. Fucking 15 minutes? Am I crazy? No cooldown. Save. Okay. I'll try that. You don't drink yourself to death. Yeah, maybe that would be a thing if I had a fucking bottle of vodka or something, but I don't. Okay, yeah, if either of you want to try hydrate again. I also, once I have this figured out, I want to, if all of chat redeems hydrate, we end up with a wet cat. That would be kind of cool. Yeah, who the fuck did that? It was not Starman, that's for sure. So yeah, that should be working, but just to be sure, Starman, if the cooldown broke, which I think is fine. It's a thing, people die if they drink too much water because it dilutes their electrolyte. I did hear that. You have to keep your salt intake up there too. There it is. Starman did a thing. Great. Awesome. So that works as expected. Maybe I don't need that note of like an and or, because I could do that in engine. And honestly, it's probably easier. Yeah, never mind. Never mind. Keep notes? Okay, well, that was my original note. Can I control Z? Yes, I can. I'm compiling notes for you, Dead Son. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, a lot of them were with custom control stuff, but I'm not sure if something was just broken on my end. Oh, and then group is not broken. I messed that one up. Can't thank you enough. I'm lurking. Oh, good. I hope this is helpful. I can also send you this when I'm situated with this stream, at least. If it happens to marathon or I see. Please, yeah, absolutely. A Nintendo Wii competition that went horribly wrong went that. Wait, seriously? What the fuck? Crazy. Excuse me, literally. Okay, well, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. I feel like my last stream was just me like beating my head against stuff. But let's see. Let's see what else we got. But this is cool. Like, then I can just switch on event, switch on who did it. Honestly, it might be easier to do it in engine since the logic's already there, but you know, the note is still there. It could be nice. Good work on this, man. It looks really well, doesn't it? It looks awesome. It looks awesome, and it's like really nice to. It's really easy to work with once I figure out what I'm doing. Yeah, because I do like that it's also split into. Like, you can do these very general ones on, like, if anybody follows, you can do X, Y, or Z, but then you can get specific if you really want. Website is very professional, too. Yeah. Let's try a bot message. Oh, yeah. We already tried this, but let's see. If I do Discord, I can say, this is the link. And I will not give a link. That's cool. Oh gosh. Okay. Some lady died after drinking too much water in a radio. Oh my god. That's horrible. So, okay. User cooldown, usable by... Ignore first time chatters makes sense for something like this. I like that these are something that you can pick. Platforms. So let's say that's a minute. Ooh, minimum account age. Let's see. Only accounts older than this 90 days can trigger this command. Set to 0 to just. Oh, I see. Okay. So at least for now, that's my command. My bot settings, yeah, it's just me. That's my robot. Stream. Scheduled messages are awesome too. If something's broken, it's probably my fault. You won't take the credit, but you will take the blame. Oh my god. Hello to this guy. Okay, so this is the chat simulation, right? Like, can I print Discord? Can I do that? Or am I, no, I'm not paused. No, maybe not. Command or phrase. Oh, right, because phrase can be kind of just a thing with this word in it. Scheduled messages are going. Wait, they're going in here? Oh, you can play the sim, change the time. Oh, I see. Oh, right. I remember this. Chatters, all of them. Faster. Okay. Does that work if I? Hmm. Yeah, it seems to be on. Oh wait, my bot's disabled. That would do it, probably. There we go. That's awesome. Great. Okay. That makes sense. I added some near clipping on my cloud system, so it's much easier to see what's going on with walls and stuff in my game. Sick. That's awesome. I almost had a heart attack. Yeah, no, I was like, no, it's because it was disabled. That makes total sense. My music broke. Stop doing that. Oy! No. That attacked my ears. There we go. Okay. This is awesome. I love the chat simulator. Okay. So does this work in my actual chat right now? Like I can say Discord? Wow. Very nice. It's instant. It is instant. That's really fucking cool. Here's my question. I don't, well, let me try to figure it out first. My thought is, let me try to set this up. Let's try to recreate my command, right? Because I have a help. Is there a way that I can do parameters? Will cooldown used by anyone? Yeah, maybe that's something separate. Oh wait, shit. Okay, hold on a second. I remember this. Or I know something. Idea. Okay. Let's make another event. Call it help. Trigger. From, I guess, anywhere. Oh, can I not do a command? Oh, I thought that I could have this be a command. Oh wait, no, because commands are separate. What am I talking? My brain's all over the place. But what I have, essentially it would be nice to recreate what I have in StreamerBot right now. Where if someone says help, like I do like a general help command, and then it would be space like presets. And then I grab the presets that are available. Like it calls a function in engine to be like what presets are available. And then I print that out. So there might totally be a way, and I'm unsure of what it is. Assign to on chat command. Let's check the docs. Shaboink. Let's see. Stream events. Oh, chat command. Okay. Let's see. Chat command. Aha, arguments. There you go. Perfect. There it is. Welcome back. That's what I'm looking for. Get command arguments. Right? Yeah, and that's in stream. Okay. Let's try that. I hope the docs are helping. They are. Chat message? Oh wait, chat command. So you would assign to on chat command, right? This is a mess. This is utter spaghetti, but command. Aha, I can get the command and the command args. Wait a second. That's amazing, right? Because then you can do on command anywhere, right? And then you can just switch on string. Yeah. Then this would be help. Well, let's see. If I do help, either way I'd have to get command args. I would just need the first one for now. Maybe you would be better at the tutorials. Maybe. I'm working really hard to make tutorials for people who don't real good. No, that makes sense. That makes sense. Some people are big visual learners. I think I go back and forth. It very much depends for me, I think. I have to read the line like 20 times. Yeah. Yeah, I feel that. So if I do help, and I'll do a switch. Yeah, because in theory I would have a help command that does different things. To say it mostly right once, yeah. And this would be like reset. This is okay, this is where I am unsure if I can send. Can I send a Twitch message from here? Or send a bot message from here? Bot? Send? No. Twitch? Get his Twitch rate ongoing. That's crazy. Let's see. Stream events. Twitch specific. That's not what I'm looking for. Let me see. What do we have access to? We got the auth, we got the stream. Right, this is, I imagine this is what we're getting that from. Stream. Oh, I gotta try viewer properties too. I just want to see what that's all about. Custom events. Custom controls. So I'd imagine if it existed, it would be in stream. What can I do? Stream. Assign. Find event. So there's some things that I can do for Twitch. But maybe it gets complicated if it's from anywhere. Is Twitch rate ongoing? Okay. Maybe... I guess my only question for you, Dead Sun, is sending, or can I trigger an event in here, like from the engine to Tentacle, which I might be able to answer myself, but if that's not possible at the moment, I would add it to the wish list. Hold on. I'm doing the wrong thing. Custom control. Oh, I see. This is... Okay. This isn't what I'm looking for, I don't think. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Never mind. Add to wish list, even if you can do it, we'll make it. Oh, okay, cool. I shall add it to the wish list. Can. Oh my gosh, can we send bot page from UE with string input? Because I think right now with StreamerBot I do that with WebSockets. Like I have it get the list, and then I just send that string to StreamerBot, and then that sends to Twitch. Oh my gosh. I touched my eye wrong. Love doing that. Let me see. For me, one of the hardest things is coming up with concepts of what would be most useful. Ah, I see. That makes sense. Can we send it? Yeah, because, like, obviously we have very good communication between Tentacle to Unreal. But I wonder if we can send messages back. Send information back. Okay. That's my wish list. I think in order of importance, though, that would go here. Like, I think for me, this would be like a showstopper. Somehow getting... Only because I had to remove the plugin that already exists for me to do that. Then this would be like a second... and that would be least important, because I'm not even sure I need to do that. Like, the logic can very easily exist in Unreal Engine, but I guess it might be like a matter of preference, like who wants to do what. But oh, we got ads. Oh dear. Oh dear. This is why I prototype all my ideas. Oh. No, that makes sense though. But yeah, this makes a lot of sense. Because then on presets, then I could do whatever it is to get my list of presets, and then I would have some sort of like node of like send. I don't know how I'd do it. In theory, I'd say send string to. Wow, I can spell. And that would just have a string input that you could then put in here, right? Because like originally, yeah, it says hello user. Also, I wonder, is there anywhere documented? There might be. That has like a list of these like variables that you could throw in there. As far as sending things back to Twitch and Kick, we honestly can't remember. I don't think so. It was something that I was planning on doing, but I don't think it was added yet. No, that's totally fair. Totally fair. I mean, what's insane to me is that this is such a massive project. Like, it very much makes sense to me that, like, you know, that not all of like the dream plans like might have gotten in there, but hopefully it's at least helpful that, like, you know, I can be here, or whoever else is like messing with this right now and being like, oh, it'd be really cool if this would work, or this bit's important to me, or like X, Y, or Z, you know. Something I noticed that StreamerBot doesn't have, given it's handling quite a bit of Twitch user data, there doesn't seem to be a simple way to secure or protect if someone gains access to the machine. Oh. I didn't even think about that, Geo. That makes sense though, because like if you know, if something were to happen, like all you have to do is, you know, go into the right menus and you could get a lot of information about your users, you know? I wanted to get everything working super well, then have it molded by oh, that makes sense. Alright, big sit. Right, like for now, if I say help. Oh, that already exists. If I say test. Hello, me. Let me see if we have information about this. Replay tutorial. I don't think I need that. Maybe. Maybe that's well, that's all Unreal stuff. Concepts. Whenever I have this crazy idea, my buddy has to talk me down. Like a person on the 30th floor. Oh god, yeah. Talk you off the ledge a little bit. And by the ledge, it means like however many hours worth of work. Oh, that's not what I meant to click. Okay. Yeah, I guess it would be nice. Maybe I'll put it in my general notes of like where, or wait, hold on. Use user to, oh, okay. Maybe that's the only thing that we get right now. But it would be interesting if I were to be like if I could be like presets and I'd be like, here are the presets. Then I would do like preset, or I guess yeah, okay, that would kind of be interesting. Or I could be like UE message or something, right? Like where I would do the presets. Like I would send this command. It would send to Unreal. It would do all this stuff and then send, like basically set that variable, right? Where the hell is my thing? Yeah, I would basically set Unreal message. And then it would like just populate that, you know? Did I already write that down? Yes, I did. There it is. Okay, great. Cool. What else? What else? Hi, Sammy. How you doing? Totally wanted to do that right now. The bot is not that advanced. What's up, Sammy? How you doing? Let me just double check because I'm fairly certain. That's not what I wanted. Oh, I see. Yeah, we got no group. Okay. Just out of curiosity, Dead Son, do you have a lot of the controls, like the custom controls set up in your thing? I'm just wondering... I'm wondering what you use it for. Alright, getting ready to lay down because my head hurt. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. I don't know about where you're at, but a lot of people here are complaining about the weather and allergies. I hear the allergies, depending on where you're at right now, are like really bad, like tree pollen and stuff. Okay, let's see. What else? There was something else I wanted to mess with. I don't remember what it was. Oh, maybe OBS stuff? I haven't touched anything in OBS. OBS. Yeah, what can I do? What can I do? OBS. Set source filter. Maybe not what I'm looking for. Oh, and there's something in here. Ooh. What can I do in OBS? Mine's my neck issue, but I feel my throat feeling funky from the outside. Oh, gross. That sucks. Custom controls, I use them for controlling which headgear I have, stats, or states? Oh, states. Levels, data layers, the guest system. Oh, the guest system. You know what? I'd also want to test that too. I want to see what you're doing with Spout. I wonder how to do that. See, I think this gets me lost a little bit, the viewer stuff, but I'm not sure it makes sense that it does. Like, I understand that is just representing who, I guess in this case, set the chat. But like, it's a viewer pawn object. which is surprising to me. I guess it shouldn't be, but get view. No, that's not what I want. So you can have like level specific controls like time of day, turning on or off the project. Oh, I see. Yeah, I mean, I was literally just thinking about how I don't have enough I don't have enough buttons on my controller to do some of this stuff. So I guess it would make sense to kind of bypass some of the fucking, honestly, the fucking bullshit with some of the input mapping stuff and just like completely bypass that, you know? Ooh, here's a question for people who know what they're talking about. Okay, here, I can show you. Essentially, I found a website that I might be able to use for like grabbing an image of an emoji. 3x3 touching. Oh wow, I know nothing. No. Oh. Hi Rusty. I'll answer it, but I don't know what I'm talking about. I appreciate that. I appreciate your input anyway. Okay, so right now I have, when it receives a message, check if it has emojis, right? If it has emojis, I guess grab the values, get the first one, just to make it simple. I would love, I guess, here's the thing. Okay, so if I just grab the code of that emoji, maybe I'm crazy, right? But let's make it yellow. Let's make it last a while so that I don't fucking lose it. Right? Oh my god. I appreciate the validation, I suppose. In a weird way. Okay, so if I... Let me see if this will let me... Nope. We all are, that's true. We're all streaming on Twitch, so we gotta be crazy. Are you adding a missive to the Right now I'm not really doing anything to the emojis because I can't get them in here. But I guess here's the thing. So, you know, or unlit. I think back here I had this is just the plane that I'm projecting stuff on. I think it was a user interface, like unlit material, something like that. So if I add my basic ass emoji and I have it print, what the hell is that? I don't know the first thing about like honestly how emojis work, but I know that it's like I guess I'm just confused as to why I'm getting symbols. Huh? I don't even know. No, they're like, I get two symbols. I put in the very first one, the grinning. Yeah. I mean, it might be, but I don't know. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. No. Well, here, if you want, I can show you what I'm expecting. Yes. Let's see. Oh. Sorry, there was some delay. Backside for... Oh, I recognize this name. Hi. I don't think Unreal's log printing can print emojis. What is it printing, though? Like, what is that? Thank you for testing the plugin. Sorry, there are lots of bugs right now. We've been doing some major migration, so a few things probably broke in the process. Well, my hope is that I can compile some notes at the very least and, you know, maybe catch some things. But I'm just glad to be messing around with it. I'm having a lot of fun. Prints weird garbled stuff when it's something non-alpha or whatever. Okay. Because here's the thing. In theory, what would be cool is I would like to have an image. Like, right now I'm treating, like, emotes with images. So I found a site. Let me see if it'll even... Let me grab that. I was basically just gonna try this. I don't even know if it'll fully work, but... Right, it basically does that, and you can grab that as like a PNG. Sorry for the flashbang, by the way, holy shit. So, here's the thing. There's my smiley. I make it Google, or whatever, right? Our emerge. So, right, like I can open this in a new tab, right? Ooh, why did it download it? Okay, I guess we're just downloading things. That's cool. Oh, maybe it's copy image address. Maybe that's what I did. Oh wait, I already did that. Okay, yeah, so it grabs the Google version, and this is kind of what I was hoping to get. But I don't know what this means. Like, I know of what it is. Like, if I look up, like, what was it? It was like emoji code point or something. Yeah, Unicode code points. This shit, right? Ah, fuck off. Deny. This is what I think I'm looking for. My music died again. Stop doing that. Yeah, I know. Shut up. Oh, okay. It's a full music die. Alright. Reload. Reload the music. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for. And that's what I had assumed that the code was, but it seems to not be. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just wondering how I can get that. Like, maybe this is just a specific use case, but I figured maybe it was just some, like, means of encoding some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Where the... I was gonna say, my music just, like, does not want to open. Come on. You can do it.
You can spend your whole life imagining.
No, words. Go away. I think those codes are weird Unicode things that Unreal can't display. Like, I don't think those will print as regular text. Do you know if there's any way that I can get this from... Well, I guess the first question is what is it outputting here? And maybe I can answer my own question. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Chat emoji? Code. Okay. Yeah. I guess what is the code? Because I know the name would print something like grinning or something. But I'm wondering how I can get that. Like get this guy, you know? What if you format the text? I assume text as HTML. I'm not sure if that's possible. Is emoji to image expecting raw stuff in the URL? I don't think so. Like, I think it's just expecting, like, you see how it's 1F600? Like, I think it's just expecting this bit, 1F600. I sincerely don't know if you can actually fucking read that. Oh, won't let me zoom in. Great. Oh, yes, it will. It's just, okay, there it is. Yeah. I guess that's what I'm thinking. Sorry, let me reread what was said. What if you format the text as HTML? I do have some web bullshit plugin. Would that be like a decode? No, surely not, right? No, I don't think that makes sense. What is that output? With decoded data? Let's see what it does. It might just print some hot bullshit, but you never know. Where's me emojis? Ha! It printed nothing. It printed not one thing. But yeah, I assume that somebody here would know way more about this than I would. I'm not sure what that is. I have to look into this. I can use emoji to image as a test to try to get it working. Only, like, it is not urgent, but I know that the way that I would ideally bring emote, like, I already kind of have it working with the emotes. Like, if there's an emote, then I can grab that image and download, like, the high-res, like, emote version. Hi, Juna! Welcome! Like I can grab this shit. In theory. Excuse me. Can you print it as an object in the scene instead of the debug output? Can you print it as an object in the scene? You mean like print it to like a widget or something? Oh shit, oh, I have the wrong thing plugged in. That would certainly do it. So like the emotes work. That's what I'm looking to grab. I was hoping that I could do kind of like the same thing. I truly need to put this like just barely outside my window so it looks like this woman is trying to break into my house. Yeah, to like a text widget. Well, I think oh, there he is. I think because I think in order to print it to a text widget, you'd probably need a font. Whoa. Well, that's cool. Was it Geo who somebody was saying they got animated ones to work, but I did not. When that dead son's gonna break into my house. Hi Geo. Sorry, I didn't mean to just name drop you and not super explain. Oh, Marius works at it. Okay. You said something about like a flip book or something, right? It was just like getting like the image sequence basically. You have to know the frame count. Wait, is this you? Are you breaking into my house? Oh my god, I think you are. Oh, that's silly. Now Starman's in my house. Everybody's in my house. Who's getting frame count and building flip books? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, that's weird. It didn't take Junas. It was out of order, maybe? I don't know. It would be cool if the emote was on the other side. That's what we were just talking about. If it like looked like someone was breaking into my house. This is just for testing purposes. But I can absolutely, when we're done, just push that just outside the window. That would be silly. But yeah, I just don't know enough about emoji bullshit. Put it on the... Okay, done. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. I know, you're so mad. Don't worry about it. So I need to put it outside the window. I need it like... I guess just about there, right? Maybe like there. Yeah. Okay. Here we go, ready? It's literally right behind me. That's fucking terrifying. Okay. Have good sleep, Geo. Thanks for hanging. Alright. Who's stalking me from outside my window? Who is it? Have you had problems connecting to servers? You mean like logging in? I have the dashboard now like bookmarked. So I've had no issues just going straight to the dashboard, but I don't know if there's something else that you'd want me to test there? Oh my god. Stylime. I have a front door. You guys can like come in. Hi, Tessan. But yeah, I haven't had any issues. Oh my god. These are incredible. But yeah, in an ideal world, these would be grabbed as images and put on as like a decal on me so that I could like dynamically place them somewhere, but oh dear, that's terrifying. Fun emote having friends show up like me. Yeah, that would be cool. I agree. I do that. I do on first chat. Oh, yeah, you could definitely do that on first chat. Ooh. That's a good call. I like that. Hold on. Or at the very least, like setting up events for like friends on first chat. I like that. That would be tech stuff. Yeah, this is what I mean. Like the emote stickers. I need to fix my fucking physics asset first. Okay, set up on. Oh shit. Set up on chat. Events. Having a new mouse from by it. If people hear them, that would be if people did heard of them, then it would, yes, it would be. Oh, who's cat? Who's lovely cat? Sophie? Oh my god. This is. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. What the fuck? Get out of here. My fucking pixel ass fucking. It's fucking ugly. Look at that. The same picture. Oh, hi Supa. Thank you. I will hydrate. We're having some emote fun today. But yes, like similar thought would be cool for emojis if my brain can get this to work. Did I already send you that code that's on for the emote stuff? Did I already send you this little bit of things? I don't remember if I did. If not, I can send this your way again. Or you just grab the image ID. I don't remember if I did. But I guess actually, let me not. Oh, it's my ass. What the hell's my ass doing after? What the fuck? Discostein. But yeah, if not, I can grab that. Oh. What the hell? What the hell? That would actually be kind of funny. This is like a lock, like a view from, yeah, a peek. Doing something like that, because I have a door. Like I literally have a door in my house. It would be funny to just like peek through the lock hole or something and be like, well, something unexpected is there. But yeah, I think if I remember correctly, and I will, hold on a sec. I will squish this over here so that we can see better. I'm fairly certain that I saw, yeah, okay, you can specify with emotes or with emojis, which is awesome. So then, I guess you could do on chat message. I wonder if there's an easy way to grab, oh my gosh, it's Kirby! I wonder if there's an easy way to be like, is this person in chat, like, is this their first time? Like, first time chat or first time chat on this stream? I don't know. This tentacle thing sounds pretty awesome. It is quite cool. I must say, I'm having a lot of fun with it. What was I gonna do? Oh, viewer properties are cool. Scores, roles, tags. I also need to think of some like use cases for the controls. Because I could definitely use buttons. Like of like a reset or something like that. Your code is exactly what we use to display emotes in our chat. Really? That's awesome. Oh wait, not that. Over here, yeah. Ross. It's an honor to have you outside my window, honestly. This is so silly. I'm glad we're having fun with this. What else? What else was I gonna test tonight? Oh, you know what? Maybe this could be Ugh. What the hell? What the hell? We also have performance mode in the chat window. You can make the animated emotes. Oh, interesting. Okay, wait. Is that a setting? Oh wow, okay. Don't look at that. That might be. Well, hold on. Is that doxable? Let me double check. I guess technically, but I'm not super worried about it right now. Is it? I don't know if I care. Performance mode. Yeah, we'll find it. Or wait, is it up here? No. What? What? Yeah, we'll find it. I got all the widgets. Yeah, we'll find it. We'll find it. It's in here somewhere. Are you okay? Need help? So you kind of sound like you need help. Okay. Alright, what else was I gonna do? Oh, right, emotes. Oh, and I can't do emotes right now, right? Yeah, okay. Alright. Damn. Oh wait, is that Gooby? It is Gooby. I didn't know Gooby had an emote. Did not realize. Oh, that's strange. I'm seeing a big color difference. Oh, hi, Gooby. You know, I call my cat Scooby. Like, who's being a big Gooby right now? Big Gooby. Big sip. Okay. Let me just double check, see if there are any other notes I wanted to get together for now. Yeah, I think this is probably, well, I'm not sure if Off-World Live counts, because I do, oh, hello, cat. I do think that they have, oh, ghosts. Ghosts! As long as they're not inside the house, that's fine. Although, is this person aiming a gun at me? It just says woke, that's funny. Yeah, I'm not sure if owl counts, because I know I had a separate, like, third party, or like a separate thing. Let me retest color, actually, because I wonder if that's a, like, it wasn't registering, but in the same way that the group wasn't? Or maybe, let me try it again. I'm gonna try it again. Got the spout issue fixed for sure. We've never tried that on a project which already has spouts, so that's good, fine. Yeah, it's, I think the only, and I think I wrote that, yeah, I put it on my wish list. Like, the biggest hurdle for me right now is the reason I had that spout, plugin was, like, to get, like, basically the scene capture component to, like, output via spout to OBS, and I had to disable that to give this a test. So I don't know if there's already spout functionality. I don't know if that's something that can be added, like, within Tentacle, but I don't know. I don't know. It's a little known fact that ghosts hate farts. That's why being under your blanket is safe. Oh. Oh. I don't want to think about laying in bed with my farts. I mean, you're not wrong, I suppose, but I had never thought about that. That's silly. Potentially we could add that, but ideally it shouldn't conflict with anything else you're using the— Oh, I see, I see. I have a whole bunch of spouts in my project, but that's Unity. Ah, Unity. Unity! Maybe, hold on, maybe for shits. No, I shouldn't do it for shits. Yes, I can help you. I will be right back. Okay, we're so back. We're so back. We're aiming at Unity next. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I think I was mostly that's not the word I'm looking for. I was mostly wondering about emoji stuff, but I think that's separate. I think that's a separate thing. A separate problemo. I said I was gonna do something. Oh, check color. Color. Because I wonder if it's just a matter of putting it in a group. Value, make it magenta. Label is color. Sort index, I guess 2. On the other side. Looks like the code emoji image is expecting that bit, so we probably need a way in Tentacle to extract that part as plain text. Only... Yeah, well, I guess first of all, yes, that makes sense to me. Yeah, it's just looking for that bit. But yeah, I don't know how you'd get that. Like, I don't know how you convert... I don't know anything. I don't know anything. Okay. Oh gosh, color. Color, we were gonna test color. Let's pull that in. Yeah, I'm not seeing a color. Right? What group did I put that under? Right, 1, 0, 2. Okay, yeah, so color doesn't seem to want to, and that was the thing about, what's it called? Oh my gosh, my words. Not sure about that one either. Yeah, I wonder if there's this was just like the site that I found that just like had, like, seems to be just a compilation of like just being able to download those. I wonder, maybe there's another site. Maybe I'll take a look real quick. But yeah, I think the color didn't want to register when that was the only thing in my project. Or wait, I can show it real quick. Attach. Get rid of my test ones. Right? Because when it's not connected, oh wait. But it's not connected. Yeah, it just says Unreal's not connected, which makes sense. But if I only have the color thing, like existing, it'll say no controls registered. So it just doesn't seem to want to recognize that it's there. Unless I'm missing something, but yeah, let me take a look. There might be some other like project or something out there. Emoji to image. Not a converter. Not that. Yeah, this is what I already had used, but that one must be broken. It looks like the custom control stuff got a bit stomped in our major migration. No, that's totally cool. That was the only one that I found that was like just wouldn't register at all. The other ones were just like some funkiness with like interacting with like the web interface. But yeah, I can send my list over as well for sure. Hey yo, Kirby Oreo, what's up? Is my did I go rainbow or did my shit break? It might have broke. Wanna stretch this noodle like a slinky? Yo, a slinky special type would go so fucking hard. Hold on. I need like a master like list of like everything. But a slinky would be really funny. Kirby Oreo. That's a good name. How you doing? Welcome. I'm gonna take a peek at my action history. Because I'm not sure it did the thing I wanted it to do. Okay, the moment they fall into a slinky. That would be incredible. An infinitely long slinky going down an infinitely long set of stairs. Okay. Oh, we're looking at emoji stuff. Choose an emoji, then download it as an image. Those are my skin tones, but I don't think I care about that. Is there a way to where if an emoji is to treat like a text object in the scene instead of an image? I do. That might be a roundabout way of doing it, but that does give me an idea. Doing okay, very sick and watching my mom's dog while she's out. Oh, I'm sorry to hear you're sick. That's not fun. Oh, posture check. I should change that to say pasta check. Oh. One of the points should be having the noodle wrap around itself. Here we go. Okay. I'm done with my tea. Yeah, actually, for shits, let me just make... Or actually, I have a widget, don't I? Not to keep pointing it out, I only know how Unity and it works there. No, I know what you mean. Let me just hijack this widget real quick. And I'll just make like a text widget. It's like, I think it would be a roundabout way of doing it, but I suppose it's like possible. Let me see. Like this is text block. What happens? Will it let me put a fucking emoji in here? Hold on a second. I can put emojis in Notepad, can't I? I thought I could. Can I not? Show Unicode control character? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, is that what it is? Ooh. Windows key? This one? Oh, thank you. I could have probably done it right there. Windows key. Put it in there. No? Copy paste then? Wowie. Undefined. I think you need a font that accepts it. There might be like an emoji font out there. Do you have an inflatable arm man? Oh, dude. Oh, you mean the... You know, this guy? Is that what you mean? This chat makes something rise and it... other very pleasant harm... Oh, I see. No arms. Yeah, no arms. No arms for me. Yeah, hold on a second. I thought I saw something about this. 5 emoji. No. I thought you could use. Nope, not that. How to add emojis. I think this is what I was looking for. Noto emoji font. Hey yo. Have fun. Let me know if this needs explaining. If you have the oh my gosh. If you have the green heat Twitch extension enabled, then you can use your mouse if you're on desktop, and you can hover over the screen and click I think I'm pointing to them. Yeah, click on these guys. I don't have the command set up for it just yet, but what is it? What do you have? All right. Apologies. The cat got some catnip in her eye, and we had to deal with it. Uh, oh, I'm a Wiimote. Right there. Let me see if I can just test this font real quick. No, that's not what I want. Yeah, that's not what I want. Let me just show this real quick. This is the thread I was looking at where it said you could grab like an emoji like font. But it seems like we store our F-string characters in 16 bits. So anything outside the basic multilingual thing will be cut off. You can find more information here, which I'll take a look at. Unicode does provide a block of surrogate code points that can be paired up. Is she really? Oh, damn. She's eating it. That can be paired up so you can detect that character is out of bounds, but by then you've lost the second half. Upping your character type to 32 bits with double the memory footprint. We can definitely render the symbols. I don't know what that is, so I'm not gonna show it. As long as you use a font that includes those characters, which I don't think is ideal for me. Okay, so here's the thing too. Here's the thing. I also don't know how any of this works, but... Well, actually, stand by. Let me have a think. Yeah, never mind. Okay. Because I did find some code convert to UFT. Fuck. U8. Yeah. I did find some code, and maybe someone who knows more than I do about this can tell me about it. Let me see if I can pull it up. It's in here somewhere. What? Yeah. Is she all up in it? Oh, great. Oh dear. No one knows less about a code base than the one that wrote it. Oh god. Right now? Oh, yeah. I can do it. Oh. Simple memory. There was something. Shit. What is this called? I literally forget every time. UTF-8. Which I don't even think is what I need. Yeah, so this is what I found, but I'm not even sure that's what I need. Or like it converts a string, like an F string, to UTF-8. But that just outputs a bunch of bytes, and I don't know how to work with bytes if I'm being completely honest. Like, cause then I had... No. Well, to text? What the hell? I don't think this is what I'm looking for, but oh, yep, okay, it's mad. Oh, oops. Maybe it's because I need to do that. I'm just curious as to what that prints out. Time to write your own conversion function. I mean, if I knew C++, then like that would be a lot easier, but I don't. But I don't. Oh, yeah, hold on. I need to go in here. I'm just curious if it's gonna print like anything. No. Not at all. Yeah, that's whatever. Okay, great. How? She's still going at it? Probably. She's probably just chilling. Converts numeric value in string, some basic structure to text. Yeah, no, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Because I thought there was like a string, like convert bytes to string, but that's from... What's that? Oh, Jesus. That is not a good sound. Alright. Cat is being crazy with the catnip, so... Yeah, because I'm fairly certain that if I do convert bytes to string, like from that, plugin, I'm fairly certain that it just prints the same fucking thing. Just to be sure, though... Just to be sure... Yes. Maybe this one will be green. And we'll print the code, right? Which kind of, I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm crazy. Yeah, it just prints the same thing. What if I do this one? Oh, I see. They're all the same. Are they actually all the same, or like if I do heart? Oh well, it gave me a heart. What the fuck? Huh? Okay, these symbols are so funny to me. Wait, is it actually because they have the modifiers on them? Like, just try that one. No, it's not that. Okay, great. All right. So, I did actually write that. But that's converting, because I think by default the F string is, I thought I had to convert UTF-8, or sorry, 16 to 8 in order to see it, but I don't think that's like super not right. Oh, I don't know C++. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, how do I get that, you know? Sorry, I'm just taking a peek at something. Okay, yeah, hold on. What is this called? No. It's this, right? Unicode points. The Unicode Common Locale Data Repository provides short names for each emoji, facilitating easier reference and use across all languages and platforms. This page delves into the intricate world of Unicode code points and the corresponding short names, offering a detailed understanding of how these symbols are standardized and global. What? See, it's either that. Yeah. It's like I'm getting a code, right? And maybe I'm focusing too much on this when I don't actually know anything about it, but what the hell is a Unicode code point? Oh, my eyes. Yeah, no thank you. Find all Unicode characters. Huh. Let me just stand by. Oh wait, hold on a second. I know what this is. Didn't we just see this? It's one, undefined. Hi, Dead-san. I'll send you this. I'll send you this. This song is too much. I'll send you my list of things. Yeah, I'll send that over to you. When I'm situated here. Yeah, what the fuck? Undefined. Standard arranges all characters in so-called planes. Okay. Overall, what do you think of technical? I'm having a really good like user experience, I believe. Like I think there are like some like personal like quality of life changes that I've put in the list, obviously. But in terms of just like ease of use and like having it integrated in engine, like that's really nice. That I love the chat simulation thing. That's like super helpful for testing and whatnot. And like I can definitely see myself making a nice clean like tentacle manager blueprint, or maybe like split it up even, of like have a stream one, like one just focused on like commands, or you know, or I guess you can split up like a event graph bullshit or something. But like I think it's really conducive to, like, despite the fact that I made a spaghetti mess here, actually having it organized really nice, and you know, making a lot of sense in Engine. But yeah, I will send you the feedback uh, when when I think of it. This is what I'm seeing though. Basic multilingual plane. The most common characters blah, 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 live in almost full basic. Second plane. Oh, I see. This is the supplementary. So I imagine a lot of emojis live there. Do you see that tutorial that you can use a switch node for custom commands, so you can put them all in one place? Did I? I do not know if I did. I think that makes sense though, because I think that'd be, no, it would be, what's that? Wait, commands or events? I mean, either way, right? You can probably do an on chat command, switch, and then just have them do different things. And I imagine you can just do the same thing with a custom event. Like, as long as you have them listened or listed in the listener, right? Then you can just basically have them switch on these strings, which is quite neat. Quite neat. Oh, that's what I was doing. Mostly of ancient characters like Egyptian. Oh, okay, hold on. Some planes are still undefined. What the fuck is this? This is crazy. Private use area B? What? Okay, so search branding. This is what I'm looking for, yes. Oh, this is a Noto emoji. Wait, hold on a second. What? Yeah, wait, what's the Noto emoji stuff then? So that's this. Noto emoji font. I was kind of no, don't copy. I was kind of hoping that I could grab that image. Right? Is that an image? Or is that... what is that? I guess I clicked it so it copied to my... clipboard. Yeah, okay. It copies it as text. It's a text thing. Alright. You wouldn't download a car? Oh, I so would download a car. Here's another thing, though. I wonder... well, no, these are... that's not it either. What are you doing? Hi, Pinky. Oh, chat. No. Yeah, wait. I wanted to see... Noto emoji font. Designed by Google. See, but how does this work? Because surely, yeah, this isn't exactly what I'm looking for. I would truly love if I could just grab Google's thing. Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. I need the code. That's what I need. What the hell is that? Code. Code point for the emoji's characters and sequences. Clicking on the code point puts a link to that row in the address bar. Candidates. Emoji to... no, because I already have the code. Emoji code as I don't think that's what I'm looking for. Emojis are letters. See, this is the value, but what is the value? Like, I think that's what's confusing to me. Hold on. Hold on. Before I lose my mind here. As a different project, an emoji to old school ASCII converter would be fun. That would be quite cool. For each. Okay, yeah. What do I even do with light? I don't even know. 'Cause I'm just like, what does this give me? Because I'm curious if it'll give me this. And number, or shit, 128513. I'm curious if it'll give me that. It's not exactly what I want or need, but it might be. I also have to pipe down a little bit. Oh yeah, absolutely. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'll turn it off. Oh, okay, yeah. $240. Okay, yeah, this isn't what I thought it was. I feel so silly. The hell. Bytes to string. Byte to string cannot be used. Right, because that's only 4 characters. When I would either expect this many characters or this many characters or something. Is this in hex? No, because it has 5. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Yeah, like, what happens if I just Google this? Like, what is that? It's Unicode hex value. Wait a second. Wait, in binary? No. Oh, I feel so silly. Okay, hold on. Hex point. Okay, none of these are numbers that I'm expecting. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, none of these. Hold on. What? Because I do get the name. What does it say if I just print the name? Because there might be some sort of, like, conversion that I can do, maybe. No. Yeah, this is kind of outside the scope of. It's just called grinning. I wonder where we get this, because some of them are called grinning face, some of them are called different things. Yeah, this is grinning face. Hex code point. Ah. Fucking hell. Hey, yo. Juna. Thank you, Juna. 2 gift subs. Very nice. Thank you. Oh, we hit a goal. Yippee. Thank you, Juna. Bytes is Latin characters. No, not interested in that. Hex ETF surrogates. What? Hex surrogates? Surrogate code point. Okay. Search. Well, hold on. Yeah, no, not what I'm looking for. Fucking hell. Because I'm wondering if these are the, like, representations of the characters that Unreal is printing? Surrogate pair calculator. Try inputting this hex point. Calculate. Yeah, that's it. It's printing out the. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Surrogate pair is defined by the Unicode standard as a representation of a single abstract character. 2 16-bit code units for the. Okay. Can it tell me the math of how it fucking gets here? This is fascinating to me, right? Hex surrogates. Hold on. Some browser blah 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 blah. Hex numbers should not be prefixed with a 0x or anything else. When extracting a character as multiple hex or local bytes, the bytes should be separated by spaces. Cast in hexes? No, that's Fruitsy's job. I'm just I'm just trying to read them. 2 code point? Like, what is the math there? Fuck. Yeah, actually converting the surrogate pair to an HTML entity. What the fuck? What the fuck am I looking at? Oh my god, okay. So these seem to be the pairs that I need. Replace callback. Oh my god, okay. What is it? What is matches? I'm so lost. Function matches. Convert to UTF circuit pairs example. Okay. Message box is so small, very board showing emojis. You can create blah, 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 blah. I need to go the other way, though. Oh my god. Okay. I'm like in so over my head, but this is also fascinating to me. Like, what is this? Is a 21-bit standard. Circuit pairs are needed by applications that use... Okay, yeah, because our F strings are in UTF-16. To display characters whose code points are greater than 16-bit, the most popular HTML coding is a more flexible method of representing high-bit characters and does not use surrogate pairs. So, by default, our F string is surrogate pairs. Which is, like... Yeah... I wish I could see what you're doing to get me these surrogate pairs, though, or like to calculate this, right? What are you doing? I would love to see what you're doing. Surrogate pairs table. The algorithm. Oh, ooh. The algorithm for converting to and from surrogate pairs is not widely published on the internet. How old is it? Russell Cottrell? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, let me see. Conversion of a Unicode scalar value S to a surrogate pair. So, no, I need the other way around. The conversion of a surrogate pair to a scalar... Oh my god. Example in JavaScript. What the fuck am I looking at? Oh. No. Oh god. Okay. Okay. So, nuke the name real quick for me. I would like to see the code. The code then is the surrogate pair, right? Is there any sort of hex thing? Hex, no, hexadecimal something something. This is crazy. The conversion of a surrogate pair to a scalar value, which I think is what I'm looking for. Yeah. Surrogate pair to scalar value. Hexadecimal or decimal. Convert string to bytes. Like, what does this give me? No? Okay. I think I've already done this, but I just want to see. I am so in shit right now, but I would so love to get this to work. That'd be really cool. That'd be so cool. And then I could be like, I did it. 240. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on. Because this could be... The fact that I'm getting 4 kind of makes me think that I'm getting like 2 different things for like hex bullshit. I don't really know though. Ugh. Okay, yeah. Hold on. This is what I'm interested in. Yes. No. Because I'm getting the hex. I'm getting these guys. Alright. Yeah, surrogate code point. It belongs to the high surrogates. This is literally insane. I did not think that I would get to this point. High surrogates. This block was introduced in the Unicode version. It contains 0 code points. This block is not defined by any code points. Unicode character. Can I literally do Unicode to ASCII? Like, please. Like something, you know? I don't know. Like this fucking thing. Well, this is the decimal code point. Oh, hold on. Okay. Loud ass car. Also not what I'm looking for. Unicode characters to ASCII. What am I even looking at? All data is stored as bits. Okay, so then ASCII isn't what I'm looking for. Or maybe it is. No, it's not. ASCII encoding. Unicode. Yeah, with emojis, yeah. Oh god. Grapheme? Oh no. Fuck, okay. Yeah, so this is in decimal though. I'm getting surrogates. Code points, bytes. ASCII. I should definitely be reading or listening to this. UTF-32 base 10. Okay, let me try something. Let me try something just for shits. If my data is the letter D, in theory... Oh wait, maybe not, hold on. What happens if I do that though? Or, hold on. This is such a mess, okay. Do this on begin play for me. Okay, that is what I expected. So what this is doing, convert string to bytes, is doing UTF-8 bullshit. Okay. Are you gonna talk about what's it called? Save space favors English, uses more space. Grapheme, yeah. Coding. This is what I'm interested in. Good night. Oh, good night, Rusty. I will try my best here. To decode bytes in the graphemes, we must know the original encoding used. In Unicode, a grapheme does not equal a code byte point, which does not equal a byte. Okay, great. Okay. Length is 4. Okay. Oh shit. Is that something I can do? Oh, that gives me the same thing. What is it giving me though? Like, how do I put this back together? Unaware string functions. This seems to be what I want. Maybe. Oh shit, okay. Maybe. Oh, it's in Python? Fuck yeah. Return max length. Works for me. To decode bytes into graphemes, you must know the original encoding used. In Unicode, a grapheme does not use Unicode unaware functions only if the grapheme is a byte. ASCII or UTF-8 with ASCII characters, which we don't know that for sure. Use Unicode aware functions to properly handle code points. Use grapheme aware functions when maximum accuracy is needed. Okay. Fucking hell. Wait, shit. It's Python. This is the hex. UTF-16 hex. Hold on a second. Can I do to integer? Okay. Hey, Brodspod. Hey, you know things, right? Do you work with emojis at all? I am kind of an emoji hell, but I really would like to get this sorted. Okay, so that also gives me the same thing. I think it's giving it to me in decimal though. What's the issue? Okay, not necessarily an issue, but this is a mess. Don't worry about this. I'm testing some stuff with like dealing with emotes and emojis. Emotes, like Twitch emotes, I have like a static link that grabs like the emote ID, and I can basically just append that ID into the link, like the image link, and then download it in Engine and set that as a texture, right? I was hoping that I could do that with messages that have emojis, right? Where I'm given the code. Okay, here, let me write it out. I'm given the code. Ah, shit. Don't do that. Code. The code, as far as I understand, is an F string, which is in UTF-16. Which means I believe I'm getting what this seems to be calling a surrogate pair, like 2 hexadecimal values. Basically, I'm wondering how I can convert these like weird symbols into another means of whatever. Isn't necessarily to. Yeah, I think just the test one that I was doing had it, but essentially, like, what's interesting is this site. Some emojis are Unicode, or 1 Unicode, or 3 or 4 or 5. It's like, oh, that fucking hell. Because I would basically love to do what this site is doing. Like, because as far as I understand, since I'm skipping this song. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe I just need it turned down a little bit in my headphones. Because what I would like to get is this value, essentially. Only because I was hoping to basically do this same method, but with this website. Because they can basically just output like the images and you can download them. But I think I can like grab this image address, which turns out to be something like this, where it takes that whatever you call it value. I think they call it a code point. I don't fucking know. This guy. I need this information from my hex values. So far, I am able to get byte information. So far, I'm able to convert this string into bytes. And it gives me something. Well, here, it gives me this. Which I'm wondering if this is just something that I could convert to hex or something. I don't know. Honestly, I don't work with bytes very often, so it was mostly just like trying to think of like the theoretical way that I could do this. But I don't know. I don't really know how best to go about it in order to get this value from it, you know? The thing I did for my overlay was download a get of Tweemoji and extracted the names of the image files. They were just like, and sort them into the longest to shortest, and just ran 40,000 replaces. It's not very report, but it's like, yeah. Yeah, I was really hoping there was some sort of way that I could, because this site seems to do it. Where the fuck is it? Russell figured it out. But I guess, how old is the site actually? Hold on a second. It doesn't say. Right? Like, I don't know what this means, but this seems to be how you can do it. I don't know. Hi, Electrolama. How you doing? Thank you. I'm a Wii remote. But I just watched through this video and it honestly made me a little sad. Where it was like bytes to like graphemes, or I guess emojis. You have to know the encoding, which I guess is UTF-16. But I'd need to make some sort of function to do like to figure out how to do it, to get from bytes to graphemes, or to, I guess, to a code point, right? Because that's what this is. This is just something, right? This is the hexadecimal. Yeah, this is the hexadecimal Unicode code point, and it breaks my brain. Yeah, hex code point is what I'm looking for. Because this also isn't correct. I thought maybe this could do it. Or, wait a second. Hex calculator or something. Hex to decimal. This is so silly. Okay. F0. 240. Oh, shit! Wait, I think that's what I'm getting. I'm getting the hex bytes. Wait, no, that makes sense though, right? 240. Is the next one 159? 9F. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, so that's what I'm getting. I don't know if there's any way to turn that into a code point though. Hex, or sorry, bytes to code point. Come on, Google, you can do it. Oh, wait. No, I already knew that. This is the site I was just on. Code point. Please tell me this is the same fucking video. No, it's not. Oh, wow. Hi. Russ can definitely figure it out. James can. Yeah, like this just seems insane to me. Let me read what this says. It's a perfect source, but here's a summary. A code example. Okay. Here are my bytes. Right? Any bytes. Oh my god, okay. 2 byte, 3 byte, 4 byte. Oh, fucking hell. Oh my god, this is insane. The 30k replace is on the yellow language and it also has 4k next. Oh shit. What the hell? What the hell? You know? Grr. No conversion needed, the same value. So these are the first 30 bits of the first byte. The first 6 bits of the second byte. What the heck is fucking in? So wait a second. Can I get an example? Here's a summary and a code sample in Golang with letters I mark bits taken from bytes. Hopefully it makes sense. Oh, bits from bytes. Okay, so blah 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 blah. Splitting bits. Oh no. What the hell? Yeah, but it seems that these people figured it out. Can you show your work? I would love to see. Interpret as hex code point. Yeah, so this is what I'm getting. So I guess, can I do this to decimal? I don't know how best to do this. Because I'm already getting, I think, 16 to 8. Like, I'm getting the bytes. And I already googled this, right? Bytes to code point. What does this say? Max length, no. Unicode aware functions use graphene aware functions where it's needed. Like, this is what I'm getting. But what I'm looking for is... What am I even looking for exactly? I'm looking for this guy.
And how to explain that? When you want to wake up, just like that. If you're not awake,
What is this in? Hold on. What am I looking at? 14 years ago. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Use the getString method in the encoding class. Yeah, wait, hold on. Don't I still have UE5 character encoding? Okay, well this is not, I don't think this is what I'm looking for. Maybe it is, hold on. We have a number of macros to convert strings to and from various encodings. These macros use a class instance declared in the, okay. I think this is what I stole from somebody. Maybe. No, it's not. No, it's not. Arrgh. So, what the hell is this though? What does this mean? Character, like I think this is, hold on. Character encoding uses 3 bytes for East Asian characters. These are the bytes. Okay. This is very confusing to me. ASCII and okay. Like, I only need this for emojis. This is so silly. Oh, hello, cat. How are you doing? Okay, big stretch. This is gonna bother me for so long. How do I know what fucking language this is in? C sharp. That's your byte array. String encoding is your encoding. The function takes a byte array. Excuse me. What are you doing? And returns an f-string object. The function uses the string convert header file, which provides functions. Okay, hold on a second. Where the hell is that? String. Hold on. API runtime core. Oh, I haven't looked through this in a long time. Okay. Oh. Where am I? Source? API? Can I just search this? Yeah, hold on.
Not a world of words,
This is
but of
I
things
think so.
that you
String
cannot
convert.
express.
Oh my gosh, my eyes. The fuck am I looking at? Oh, wait, yeah, there it is. String conversion. I see, so it only... What do I have currently, actually? I have... Try to convert. Okay, so this is not what I thought it was. Where is this though? Oh, okay. I thought that I could click on that, but I guess I can't. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. This gives me a dynamic like thing though, which I think I want. Byte array to string. Hi, Fruitsy. I'm struggling. How about you? What do you know about emojis? I know more than I'd like, and I need to go to bed, but this is really gonna bother me if I don't figure it out. This big boy code? I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I'm just trying to get my fucking emoji. No, not that. Because I have... Yeah, I'm getting the bytes. What I need is the code point from the bytes. UTF-8 bytes to code point. Okay, yeah, but somebody tell me what to do. I don't know. This shit is so stupid. It's crazy. Encode. I need to decode. Decode the character and the byte. Yes, this is what I need. The first. Oh my god. This is insane. This is crazy. Gotta do bytes to bits and whatever. Well, my hope is that I can grab that. I can grab that information, like, dynamically, but it's, like, really, really mad. Or maybe I'm just really, really mad. All these people are doing it. These people are doing it. Why can't I figure this out? I'm not gonna figure it out in the next, like, 2 seconds, though, so... Right? Just, yeah. What I need is this. What I'm getting is this. Hex code point, decimal code point. Fuck. I already did like hex to code point. Wait. How do I convert a hex to a Unicode code point? How do I print out these 3 bytes? So this is, what is this in? I don't even know. I don't know what this is in, but it might be helpful. No, it's not. Contain UVA. So start out with, I don't think you need to treat your Unicode. You're going to have to convert from UTF back to a pure Unicode character or formally something. Oh, okay. Well, this is what I already have. Okay. Characters outside, although UTF can handle this just fine. UTF-8 can understand. They must be encoded as surrogate pairs. Fuck. So I already have surrogate pairs. So, do I even need to worry about bytes at this point? I'm so confused. And I should just go to bed. So I don't need that anymore. These are the decimal values. Don't need that. This is what I'm worried about. I need this. And just out of the gate I get the surrogates. And what's his butt figured out how to do it. But this is all in hex, right? Does this mean base 16? Is that just notating this that this is base 16? The conversion from a surrogate pair to scalar value. Okay, sure, but I'm not in JavaScript. Literally what happens if I put this in C++? Will I get like super duper mad? Do you know what that is? Okay. Hold on a second. What do I need? F string. Am I seriously gonna C++ right now? String stuff. Convert to code point. Convert code to code point. Oh wait. Yeah, I guess I want a string. Constant F string. I guess, sure. Okay, let me try this. F string body, which is 2 characters, right? Okay, maybe I'm silly. Let me try like A, F string B. Oops, shit. Where then this is A. This is B. Right? Oh no, it's so late. Constant. Fuck. Okay, yeah, that's a string. That's a string, but what I need is, I guess, the hex value of that string. Yeah, because that's just a string. Yeah. Because I don't necessarily have the surrogate pair. I have it as an F string. I'm losing my mind. I am so losing my mind. Like, I'm super surprised that this isn't in any sort of like string conversion bullshit. String convert. Yeah. Okay. Hex. Surrogate. Pair. String. To hold on. Can I force this to be something instead of, well, here's what I can do. I might be able to int 32 it. And then maybe do math. Is undefined. Okay. Int 32. Right. No, you don't want to do that. Or I guess, hold on. That's not how syntax works. Oh wait, there it goes. Okay. Return S. I can just add that as another stupid little thingy for me. Hold on. This is all the same. My functions. Static. Well, this is the output, right? Int 32. Convert code to code point. Yeah. Is that how I code? I don't know. Let's see, I guess. I don't know. Does that fucking break everything? And then I gotta go to bed. If this doesn't work, I super duper have to go to bed. Yeah, so something's mad. What did it do? What are you mad at? Syntax error? Alright, that's fine. Dude, syntax is fine. It's easy. Easy fix. I think so. F string. Oh. I wish it would have told me that earlier. Okay, so what's the issue here? Declaration is incompatible. Oh, yeah. Wait, yeah. Int 32. Right? Yeah, okay, save that. Save that. Try that. Okay, well that seems to have done it. Where is my functions? Convert code to code point. So can I split? Or no. Wait, why are they ints? Oh, because I could convert to int, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Character array. Wait, get character as number. Hold on. We might be okay. 0 and 1, right? Let me just see if this will print the way I expect it to. Like if I just print this one, then hopefully it just prints the one thing. Oh, well, it didn't print shit. Hold on. Oh, I see. I need the. Hey, yo. Snacker 101. Hello. Thank you for the follow. I apologize that I'm losing my absolute mind right now. I'm going crazy. Access none. All right. Yeah. Okay. Great. What are you cooking? Oh. I'm not cooking. I'm trying to figure out emoji bullshit. Like Unicode stuff, but I am so out of my depth here. Like I have no idea. I'm about to give up for the night actually, because I have no idea what what I'm doing. Because yeah, this isn't even a character array. So I can't even do what I was hoping to do here. I literally need this to input as a string, which is really annoying. Hi Binky, what doing? Oh my god, that is a big stretch. Love the Wiimote skin, thank you. Thank you Fluffle Pimp, how you doing? Yeah, because I'm getting the bytes. I think first I need to convert to hex, which is super annoying. Hi, hello, yes, I know. I know, friend. Yeah, because I found a solution from Russell about how to get this pair to a scalar value, but I don't know how to do it. Doing shiny, filling with my model so I can hopefully get it into a newer, better control rig. Ooh, very exciting. Okay, yeah, this shit isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna work. I have to think more on this. Because I'm able to get the bytes. That's what's super annoying about it. Like, I'm able to get the bytes. As decimal. Right? I'm able to get here, I can show. Yes. I'm able to get this. Which I think is ideal. Like better than working with this, I think. Well, I'm not sure actually, but I have this, but what I need is this. I need the code point. I truly just don't know how to get there. maybe I'll go bother somebody about it, but for now I super have to go to bed. I am up later than I should be. Especially since I need to feed the cats and whatnot. But although I don't even think I fully tested that, like, to be completely honest. Like, can I just what was that value? Have it in here still? Yeah. Like, see if that even like downloads the image properly. Right now it doesn't, which is great. What happened though? Oh, it says fail. Great, okay. Why? Oh. Yeah, wait, why? Isn't that it? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to look more into that. That would be crazy if this didn't even work. Anyway, shall we raid? Shall we get going? I think we shall, because I gotta go to bed. I super duper duper have to go to bed. Whee! Okay, fuck. Cool. Just gonna save this. Who's live right now? Who is live? I see a dead sun. Whoops, I didn't mean to click on somebody. Yeah, we can go say hi to Dead Sun. What's Dead Sun doing? Oh. Oh, working on the ship. That's cool. The room gets cooler and cooler every time I see it. I hope that I can continue with consistent enough work to be able to do that. To be able to continue to impress. All right, friends. Thanks for hanging out with me while I lose my mind. But it is so late. So let's go say hi to Dead Sun. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. I don't have much else. I actually don't know when I'm gonna stream next. I've been trying to do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but my stream schedule is such a mess right now, so who knows? I'll probably do tomorrow or Saturday. We'll see. I don't know what things look like right now, but thanks for hanging. Go give Dead Sun some love. He fucking deserves it. He made some really cool shit. A real bug, and there's always come to us in our sleep. That's true. Sometimes you have to dream in blueprints, and then the answer comes to you. All right, let's eyeball spin. Thanks for being here. Yee.